Welcome back. Today we are in the Ingleside neighborhood of Norfolk, Virginia. That's in the southeast corner. We're looking at a all brick ranch, 2-car garage, updated HVAC, new roof, windows, and a little bit of trivia. We're actually in the Ventosa West neighborhood. Nobody calls it that. This home, built in 1969, is all brick, features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Let's go inside and take a look. This is a waterfront property, and we'll get to that in a few moments. The foyer leads directly into the formal living room and the dining room. Fresh paint, many upgrades, really too many to list. Hardwood floors, coffee bar, and we're going to come back to the kitchen and the view in a moment. But we're going to start down here where the bedrooms are. First bedroom, currently used as an office. Spacious, with a great view, walk-in closet, right next door, the second bedroom. Again with a nice view and closet. Next we have the family bath. Dual sinks. Custom tile in the shower with a rain head. Next is the primary bedroom. Luxury vinyl tile on the floor. Features 2 closets, both lighted. And the primary bath. Custom tile on the floor, custom tile in the shower area, and this features 2 rain head shower heads. Again, there is custom lighting, flooring, new water heater. All the drain lines have been flushed. The owners have really left nothing left to chance here. This is the custom gourmet kitchen. That looks out to the view of the Elizabeth River. Granite countertops. Again, custom stonework. and the pot filler faucet over the range. Deep pantry. Laundry. And the garage, which is currently storing some stuff, but suitable for a workshop. Or you can actually, it's large enough, you can actually park 2 vehicles in here. And we have the half bath with a custom sink, again, hardwood floors, custom cabinetry, wine chiller, and then let's go out on the deck. Hot tub, this property features custom dock, again the new roof, gutters, all brick, and one extra water feature. You have riprap, and that area right over there, that's a boat ramp. And there's plenty of room next to the home to back your boat in. The home is positioned to allow for gorgeous sunrises and sunsets. So if you have any interest, contact your realtor, have them give us a call. I think I'm just going to sit down and enjoy the sun for a while. Thanks for stopping by.